Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Trello account using the mobile app. If you no longer need your account or want to remove your information, this guide will make the process simple and clear for you. First, open the Trello app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the account icon at the bottom right. Then, scroll down and select the Settings option to access your account settings. After that, continue scrolling until you find the Delete Account option and tap on it. Then, Trello will redirect you to the web version of the site tab on Go to Web. Here, click on Delete Account to proceed. Tap again on Delete Account. You will be asked to confirm your choice, so click Delete Account again to finalize the process. Finally, make sure that your account has been removed by attempting to log in. If everything is done correctly, you will no longer have access to the account, and all personal data associated with it will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.